Have you ever wondered why some men get heart attacks with no warning? What if your heart is in danger right now, and you don't even know it? If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like it. Today, I will show you 7 silent warning signs of heart disease that most men over 50 ignore, and ignoring them can cost your life. First, constant fatigue. If you feel tired all the time, even after good sleep, your heart may not be pumping enough blood. This is not just age, this is a warning. Second, shortness of breath. If you feel out of breath when walking upstairs or doing simple daily tasks, your heart may be struggling. Many men ignore this. That is a big mistake. Third, chest discomfort. Not all heart pain is strong. Sometimes it feels like pressure, burning, or tightness in the chest. If this happens often, you must pay attention. Fourth, dizziness or lightheadedness. Feeling dizzy for no clear reason, or losing balance sometimes, may mean poor blood flow to your brain. Your heart could be the real problem. Fifth, swollen legs and feet. If your ankles or feet swell regularly, your heart may not be pumping properly. This is a serious sign and should never be ignored. 6. A regular heartbeat. If you feel your heart racing, skipping, or fluttering, that is not normal. It increases your risk of stroke and heart attack. 7th, jaw, neck, shoulder, or upper back pain. Many men think heart pain only happens in the chest. That is wrong. Pain in these areas can also come from the heart and is often ignored. After 50, arteries become harder, blood pressure rises, and cholesterol builds up. Heart disease becomes silent. You may feel okay until suddenly you are not. If you have 2 or more of these signs, do not wait. Do not guess. Get checked by a doctor. Early detection saves lives. To protect your heart, focus every day on good sleep, regular walking, healthy food, less sugar and fried meals, stress control, and no smoking. No pill can replace discipline. Heart disease does not always shout. Sometimes it whispers. And only smart men listen. Take care of your heart, because your family needs you alive.